Honda CB300R best motorcycle for beginners. Choosing the right motorcycle as a beginner rider is a crucial decision that sets the tone for your riding journey. The Honda CB300R has emerged as a standout choice in this realm, offering a combination of user-friendly features, manageable power, and stylish design that make it the best motorcycle for beginners. Ideal power and performance. The Honda CB300R strikes a perfect balance between power and manageability. Its 286cc single-cylinder engine delivers ample power for urban commuting and highway cruising, while still maintaining a manageable throttle response that new riders can appreciate. This balance minimizes the risk of overwhelming acceleration and allows beginners to gradually build their confidence. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing in at just around 317 pounds, 144 kilograms, the CB300R is exceptionally lightweight. This attribute makes it remarkably easy to handle, especially when navigating through traffic, parking, or performing slow-speed maneuvers. Its compact dimensions also contribute to its nimbleness, making it an ideal choice for riders who are still developing their riding skills. Agile handling. The CB300R's chassis and suspension are designed to offer agile handling, giving beginners a sense of control and stability. The bike's responsive steering and balanced weight distribution enable riders to confidently tackle both urban environments and winding roads without feeling overwhelmed. Comfortable riding position. The motorcycle features an upright and neutral riding position, which is comfortable and reduces strain on the rider's wrists, back, and neck. This ergonomic design makes long rides and daily commutes more enjoyable, ensuring that beginners won't experience discomfort even during extended periods of riding. Modern styling. The CB300R's design is a fusion of minimalist and modern aesthetics. Its neo-retro styling combines sleek lines, premium finishes, and high-quality materials, making it visually appealing to both new and experienced riders. Riding a bike that looks good not only boosts confidence but also adds to the overall riding experience. Advanced technology. Despite being a beginner-friendly motorcycle, the CB300R is equipped with modern technology. Features like an LCD display, LED lighting, and optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhance safety and convenience, further supporting new riders in their journey. Affordability and fuel efficiency. Affordability is often a key concern for new riders. The Honda CB300R not only boasts an affordable price point but also offers excellent fuel efficiency. This means that beginners can enjoy their rides without worrying about excessive fuel costs. Room for skill growth. The CB300R is designed to accommodate riders as they progress from beginners to more experienced motorcyclists. Its well-rounded characteristics allow riders to develop their skills, and they won't outgrow the bike's capabilities too quickly, making it a solid investment. Conclusion. The Honda CB300R's blend of manageable power, lightweight construction, agile handling, comfortable riding position, and modern design elements makes it the best motorcycle for beginners. It provides an excellent platform for new riders to build confidence, learn essential riding skills, and embark on their journey as motorcyclists in a safe and enjoyable manner.